Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be putting together this Royal Gourmet charcoal grill with an offset smoker. So let's go ahead and put this together. They said it takes about 2 hours. I think I could do it in about an hour and a half. We'll find out. So this is what we got here. It's brand new, nothing's assembled, and my goal is to try to get this done in 1 hour, but I always run into problems, mainly because I don't follow the instructions to the T and try to find shortcuts. But let's open her up, see what they got. Okay, so I've taken everything out of the box, kind of laid everything out so I can quickly access it. Now it's time to take a look at the manual and see what the quickest way for me to get this assembled is. Tools required: adjustable wrench and a screwdriver. But why not go with the drill? If you can, right? So it's all done. Looks pretty good actually, and I think I did it in less than an hour. I don't know the exact time, but now we're gonna fire this thing up. Hopefully you guys will stay tuned, make sure and subscribe, and have a good one.